Imagine yourself behind the wheel of this gorgeous 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 and think about the possibilities that exist. Based on the new C-Class sedan, this GLC is lighter, larger, and more elegant and capable than the outgoing GLK that it replaces. A 241 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and 9-speed automatic transmission along with the keyless engine ignition. A power adjustable driver's seat, power tailgate, and the power fold mirrors are all yours. This is also a 7-inch color screen for easy viewing of things included in the rear view camera. Come in and take a closer look at it today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, our goal is to help you discover the true joy of driving. We're conveniently located just west of I-95 at 300 Almeria Avenue.